everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about NFTs and how you can make them and get lots and lots of money by selling them on the NFT markets. I believe that everybody knows what NFTs are by now, or at least have heard about them, because they have literally blown up this year and people have been making millions of dollars by selling them. But I know there might be some people who still haven't heard about them. So basically NFT stands for non-fungible token. And what that means is that NFTs are basically pieces of art or real estate that are unique, irreplaceable, and one of a kind. And the token part from non-fungible token is the blockchain, which is basically like a digital contract of authenticity, proof that you actually own that thing, and also a permanent record of that thing's transaction. The hottest market right now is the digital NFT market, which can mean anything from digital pictures to short videos and animations. One of the biggest sellers of this community is Mike Winkelmann, known as Beeple, and he is basically a graphic designer and an animator, and he has sold an NFT for $69 million. Also, names such as Gary Vee, Mark Cuban, or Elon Musk have invested in digital NFTs, which means that, guys, if the whales are in, this is something serious. And also, if you decide on selling or buying other people's NFTs, you can do that. There are a lot of markets, NFT markets out here, but the most common ones and also the most used ones are Rarible and Opensea. And I just have to mention about the Cryptopunks, and Cryptopunks is basically like a collection of 10,000 heads, because as you can see, they're kind of like digital heads. And what is unique about them, each and every one of these heads have like a unique item, such as a hat or glasses or earrings, and they sell for thousands of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars. Now, once you buy this, once you buy one of these, you cannot actually do anything with them. What you can do though is wait, because their value might increase in time and you might actually be able to sell them for millions of dollars. These are actually one of the easiest NFTs to make, and that's coming from a person who has tried making their own NFTs. And let me tell you guys, if you decide on making your own NFTs, it will take you a long time, and it's also hard to make one. So just keep that in mind if you decide on trying to make your own NFTs and selling them on the market. And guys, in case you are afraid of the imagination part when creating an NFT, you really don't have to think about that, because I have literally seen all types of NFTs, from Pokemon to sport players related NFTs to crypto related to, I don't know, commercials. Like everything and anything could be turned into an NFT. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I will check every single comment. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.